everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I've got the latest Go Ye project for June, and we're going to make a daily prayer pockets folder, daily prayer pockets. So this is a template. You're going to want to cut this out, and then you're going to cut 7 pockets out of whatever paper you want to use. I'm going to try and use old book pages. I think that'll look really good. You'll need 7 of those, and then the rest of these pieces we will use to make up the whole thing. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this template out and get my book pages. So I went ahead and folded some of these. I'm using a scoreboard. So what you're going to do is just line up where the angle starts on both ends, and then that'll show you where to score it for those 2 flaps. And then this one, the same thing. You can start where that angle is and where this angle is. Fold, score it there, and then you want this middle where this point is, and I'm going to move it over a little bit so I can get right in there on a line. And then you're going to fold it in half, obviously. One of these flaps is going to go out to be your waterfall, to create your waterfall pocket. And then the other 2 will fold in because that's going to glue up and make the pocket. So this one will be your glue, and this one will be your glue. So like that. I'll glue those 2, and then this will be your waterfall. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish these last 2, and then we will begin to, well, we're going to punch a notch in it for a pocket, and then we'll glue those. Okay, I've got mine folded, and to be honest with you, I had to refold 2 or 3 of them because I had just kind of folded them as I went, and there's more than one way to fold them. So just make sure you've got them all about the same way, and then we're going to punch. I'm going to punch. You want your waterfall little foot stick out behind in the back. So I'm going to punch the, okay, so we've got all of our notches cut. So now we can take our glue and put a little bit of, the main place you want to get glue is on the very fold anytime you do tabs. And go ahead and glue both of the tabs for the pocket. Like that. So there's your pocket, and there's your little waterfall foot that sticks out behind it. Okay, so keep going. Okay, so here are our pockets. So we've got those done. And if you want to ink them, you can. I'm not going to, but I'm going to go on now with the rest of this kit. So the next thing is, let's see, let's do front and back flap. So let's do that page. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my 6 cards out, I think, on this page. Okay, so before I cut the other stuff up, I am going to fold this. So let me get my scoreboard back out, and I'm going to score it. There's a line. Don't score it right where the color stops. You want to do it right on that gray line because that gives it a little bit of bleed so that you won't have white showing. And the same thing on this one, there's a little gray line that you want to score it on. And so fold it. Well, let me cut one more out. I've got Sunday. There's 7 cards. The 7th one had to fit onto this other page. So let me cut it out real quick. And then these cards are going to glue on the front of our flaps. I mean, our pockets. Like that. And then you will use 3x5 cards for the insides. I didn't put those in the kit because you can easily get a hold of those. And then you can change them out if you want to. You change what you're praying about. You can just put another 3x5 in. Okay, so there are our pockets with the signs on them. So now let's get this ready. And so we're going to go ahead and cut out this page. Page 2. Cut these panels out. And these just glue to the inside of this folder. And then let's go ahead and do the closure. So cut this piece out, altered paper clip closure. So cut this out. And I'm going to use a large paper clip. So I've got the design going over the fold a little bit so that when you fold this, you get a nice black edge. You don't get a white flash. Okay, so that's going to fold like that. And then this, I'll go ahead and score this. Let's see, this is going to go, you want to fold it like that. So score that little dotted line. And it's going to fold like that. Okay, and you're going to put the paper clip on it like that. And then we're going to glue this over the top. And then we're going to glue this onto the outside of this folder. Now see how the white corners show? So I want you to trim it off. Trim off any edge that's white and then round these corners off so that it lines up with the design. Like that. And then we're going to put glue on this. And center it, glue it down, and you're going to have to press it down pretty well to go around the paper clip. And then if you're using art glitter glue, of course, it glues immediately. But for my glue, I kind of have to hold it for a little bit. Okay, so then we're ready to glue the pockets in. So we're going to start with Sunday, and we're going to glue this little tab here. Put it right at the edge and center it from right to left. Then you're going to take Monday, and you're going to put that right at the edge of this where that tab stops. And glue that. That, and then keep going. Okay, so there they are. I've got the 3x5s in now, just regular 3x5s. And this is actually another one that I made. If you're wondering why the Jesus is on this side. And so I just wanted to go over this closure a little bit. So you're going to want to take this side here and kind of massage it, get it curved a little bit so that it's ready to slide into this closure, and then it will just go in like that. And the more you do it, the easier it will be. Once you've done it 2 or 3 times, it should go right in. And that will keep it shut. Open it up, and there's your prayer cards for each day. And that is it for our Go Ye project for June. So I hope you like it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.